Hello everyone, I'm Otha in the United States. The top today, as you see here, I like it. First, the button, no need the button. And then good for every season except winter. And these two, I like the fabric. I order extra sizes. I want to wear loose. The fabric is synthetic. I check this because my husband loves to wear t-shirt fabric like this. It is synthetic. Also, these are print, cute print, right? I like the shirt with both sides prints. Many shirt only print on the front but plain in the back. I don't like that. And I order bigger size too. I like to wear loose. And the funny cat, also the same fabric. This is already bigger size but still a little bit small. And this one is cute. The lace stretchy. It's not for winter, okay? Same style in pink, stretch as you see. And it's not for winter. It's light. Knitting top for winter. I will wear over my thermal or long sleeve top. I have two like these, but I cannot fit my body in them. I have them when I wear size small, but now size L, XL. It is very comfy and light, and also long sleeve knit. It is thin and light too. It's cute. Crochet at the edge, two sleeves and the bottom of the body. This make me feel like want to do crochet and knitting, but I'm not do because I'm lazy and I haven't do crochet and knitting for a long while because the dust of the yarn get into my nose and cause my allergy symptom. Allergy with the dust. Thank you for stopping by and watch my video. Have a great day. Bye.